What is going on, guys? Tony Maritato here. Oh my goodness, with my boy Tucker. Are you okay? Need a respiratory therapist. So anyway, we were just out for a run. Forgive the sweaty appearance, but I do my best thinking when I'm on the road. And I was just thinking about the mythical creature, actually a story, the mythical creature known as the phoenix. And I was thinking about its death and rebirth and rise from the ashes. You know, it goes down in flames of glory to be reborn again and live a new life. And I think about our patients, and I think about how so many of the patients we see in the clinic every single day are really just almost sitting there waiting to die. And as harsh as that sounds, these are individuals with 20, 30, 40 years of life left ahead of them. And when I talk to them about their goals and their passions and their desires, because that's what we do as therapists, they really have none. They have nothing to share. They've lost touch with family. They've lost the passion, the motivation to learn something new, to grow and develop the way you do. And, you know, I think about that and I'm like, it's such a sad story because obviously we could be dealing with some anxiety, some depression, mental issues, emotional issues, psychosocial issues that truthfully I'm not prepared for. That wasn't what I went to school for. But the reality is we're dealing with human beings that are dealing with challenges of their own. And so the idea that we can potentially ignite a new passion for this individual. You know, does it really matter if their shoulder or back or hip or knee hurt? If they have something to look forward to, something that they're so excited about that just takes over their emotional state, changes their physiology because of excitement and joy. And so I find myself more and more as I get, I'll call it become a more mature therapist, meaning I have more years under my belt, that I'm not so focused on the biomechanical. I'm not so focused on the intervention in terms of this modality or that. I'm focused on the human. And with that, I'm focused on helping that human find their passion, reignite what's within them. You know, the second kind of story that I wanted to talk about was the story of Icarus and the escape. And we've all heard, you know, how Icarus's father warned him not to fly too high, not to go too close to the sun. But the other part of that, and research this, because that's what I did, I had to research it, was he was warned not to go too low, not to fly too close to the ocean because the mist would wet the wings. And so I feel like our obligation as clinicians, looking at the person sitting in the chair in front of us, is to really help them fly as high as they can, ignite the new fire, find the phoenix that will go down in a blaze of glory and start a new life. You know, this is truly their opportunity. And I've said this quite a lot. This is their opportunity to take all of the amazing benefits of youth and combine that with the amazing benefits of experience. So we can change their bodies. They can bring their experience, but if they don't have a passion, if they don't have a motivation, there's nothing for them to do outside of the clinic. Just think about that. The tagline that I was thinking about with this in terms of, you know, what it would look like, the headline would be something along the lines of, are you waiting to die or are you dying to start living? Because that is what we deliver. We deliver the second life, the new life, the life that allows an individual to bring all of the past experiences, both the good and the bad, and bring them forward into a new body that they're gonna get by working with you. Think about it, let me know. I'll catch you on the next video.